Hello, this is Katie Walker in the College of Education at the University of Alaska Anchorage, and this video is to introduce you to Kaltura, which is now embedded in our instance of Blackboard, and you will see it as My Media. I've moved this little module up here. It was originally showing at the very bottom of my courses, but I was able to use this tab to drag it to make it a little bit easier to find. The very first step you need to take is to just click on the My Media link, and what that will do is basically establish you as a user, which is necessary for us to be able to share a video with you for captioning. So there are a number of things that Kaltura does. We're still figuring it all out since it's new to us. And so what has already been done for you is the videos have been uploaded to Kaltura using Media Upload here. And also, we have ordered what they call ordered the captions, and that means that there is an automatic captioning that's already been done on the videos. So they are very inaccurate, and but it will save you some time and give you a place to start. So what you're going to need to do when we share a video with you, you may not see it right in the list that you see immediately. You might have to click View Media. I can edit because I'm the one who uploaded it, so technically I'm the owner. So you're going to have to click on Media I Can Edit to find the one that has been assigned to you. And in some cases, many of you are working on the same one because it's a longer one. So I'm going to use this one as an example. What you want to do is actually just click the title of the video, because this edit button does something different. So go to the title of the video, click it, and you'll see that it opens and begins to play. I'm going to go ahead and pause that. So you can see this is one of the short ones. You can see that it says CC, and that's just because we have ordered the captions, but they are not accurate. So what you need to do is come down to Actions and just go to Edit Captions. And this will open a brand new tab in your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and I have done all my testing using Google Chrome, and it has worked fine for this portion of using Kaltura. So if you have trouble, you might want to try using Google Chrome. So you can see that these are the automatic captions over here on the left. And in this particular program, they suggest that you keep it to, not too much in each caption. So you can just go in and edit them down here in this yellow box. If you've been assigned a particular minute part, then you can jump to it, or you can just, play the video to whatever point it is, and using these buttons and so on to get to the right place. But probably the easiest thing I think would be to jump to. And when you are editing and playing the video, you can also just click on one of the automatic captions and then play from there. So you can kind of see which ones have already been done, because you'll see that they're accurate. So it may be a good activity just to play through some of it right prior to the section you're assigned if you are doing it with other students. And anyway, so this is where you actually will be playing and editing.
Start the tape.
Okay, so she said start the tape, but it actually says start with, so I'm just going to make that correction. And then I'm just going to play again. And so it only got this, but it's this little mouse. And so you might not understand everything that she says, so you might have to go back and replay. And but this is where you're going to be editing. And it's going to show the next caption down here. And the timing is pretty much done for you, but can be adjusted, and you'll have to see as you play it back. So please don't hit the approve button, only use save, so you can save what you've done so far, and the next person that comes in will see what you have already done. As you can see, whoever's assigned this video, I've already done the first 2 lines for you. And so when it's due, we will go through and we'll just check it and make sure everything looks good before we approve it. So just use save the whole time. And then when you're done for the time being, you can just close that tab And then you can come back to it the same way you got to it, which was Actions, Edit Captions, and it'll open again, and you'll be able to just pick up where you left off. And there are some shortcut keys, and you might get to be a lot better at this than I am, but it's fairly intuitive, and you'll play around with it and be able to figure it out. So again, just remember to hit save to save the work that you've done in editing the captions.